Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Shri. Today I am going to make Pudina Paneer Rice. For the recipe we need add grated coconut, pudina leaves, tomatoes, little water to a mixer jar and make a fine paste. Turn on the flame, heat up the pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoon ghee. Once the ghee melts, add paneer cubes and fry until it turns golden in color. In the same pan, add cashew nuts, fry them and keep aside. In a cooker, add 1 teaspoon ghee, wash rice and fry for a minute. Then add 1 cup of milk and 2.5 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the pressure cooker and allow the rice to cook for about 3 whistles on high flame. Heat up the kadai, add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, 2 teaspoon ghee, cumin seeds, onions and fry until it becomes translucent. Then add ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Add grinded mixture and fry for 2 minutes. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder and salt as per taste. At last, add rice, fried paneer, cashew nuts and give a good mix. Now the Pudina Paneer Rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.